Hello, I'm here to tell you about power strips. Power strips make you more energetic. Power strips take away all the pain. Power strips allow scars to be no scars at all. Power strips take away your acne. Power strips make your hair grow back. I love my power strips. Log on to fxgpowerstrip/BrettHaydell/.com for more information. We are a groundbreaking company looking to expand in Puerto Rico, Cuba, Dominican Republic, and we hope that you would like to get on this groundbreaking opportunity so we can make a lot of money together.